Starting a group home in Las Vegas can be a rewarding business that helps people in need, but where do you begin? Let's break it down step by step. A group home is a residential facility for individuals who need assistance with daily living, like those with developmental disabilities, mental health issues, or seniors needing supervised care. These homes provide a safe environment, medical support, and life skills training. Here's how you can start your own group home in Las Vegas. Start by researching the demand for group homes in your area. Identify the target population you want to serve, such as foster children, seniors, or individuals with disabilities. Understanding state regulations will help you avoid costly mistakes. Your business plan should cover services, staffing, funding, and compliance requirements. Investors and grant providers will want to see this before offering financial support. In Nevada, group homes must be licensed through the Nevada Division of Public and Behavioral Health. You'll need to submit an application, pass inspections for safety and compliance, and follow zoning and staffing requirements. Group homes can be funded through grants, Medicaid reimbursements, private donations, or loans. Don't forget to get insurance, including general liability, property, and workers' compensation. Hiring qualified staff is crucial. Your team should have proper certifications and training to provide top-level care. Conduct background checks and invest in staff development. Once you're open, focus on providing excellent care. Stay compliant by renewing licenses, conducting staff training, and following state regulations. The better your care, the more your business will thrive. Need help navigating the process? Check out carapolicy.us for licensing consulting and policy manuals. Like and subscribe for more business tips.